or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, guys, this is episode 183 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is absolutely wonderful. It is such a great devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. And if you're looking for this devotional to have at home, you can find it at Walmart. You can find them at Hobby Lobby, and you can also download them on Audible. So anyways, if you would like to check that out, definitely go see about one, but you don't have to have the devotional to follow along with this. I'm going to read the entire thing to you. I'm going to explain it the best that I can, and then we're also going to go over the verses. So anyways, let's just jump right in. Okay, number 183. I am life and light in abundance. As you spend time soaking in my presence, you are energized and lightened. Through communing with me, you transfer your heavy burdens to my strong shoulders. By gazing at me, you gain my perspective on your life. This time alone with me is essential for unscrambling your thoughts and smoothing out the day before you. Be willing to fight for this precious time with me. Opposition comes in many forms. Your own desire to linger in bed, the evil one's determination to distract you from me, the pressure of family and friends, and your own inner critic to spend your time more productively. As you grow in your desire to please me above all else, you gain strength to resist these opponents. Delight yourself in me, for I am the deepest desire of your heart. I am life and light in abundance. As you spend time soaking in my presence, you are energized and lightened. Guys, that's so true. So true. I cannot tell you a time that I have gone to the Lord with something and truly stopped what I was doing, showed God reverence, spent time just quietly alone with God, that I didn't leave that situation feeling energized and lightened. Think about it. Says, by gazing at me, you gain my perspective of your life. Just being able to see your life through God's perspective can literally change your life forever. God's perspective is way different than ours. Says, spending time alone with me is essential for unscrambling your thoughts and smoothing out the day before you. Be willing to fight for this precious time with me. Do you fight for time with God? Do you even make it a priority? Does it even make it to your to-do list? I know myself, I do not spend enough time alone with God. I know that I don't. I feel conviction that I don't. But it's so true that the opposition comes in so many forms. Your own desire to linger in bed, the evil one's determination to distract you. The devil is constantly trying to distract you from God. Constantly. Says the pressure of family and friends and your own inner critic to spend your time more productively. Now, I know that I have sat down before literally to do this devotional And in my head thinking, man, I need to be doing this. I need to be doing that. I need to go get this done. I got to get that done. Oh, I don't know if I got time to do this. I got to get this done. That's when you literally stop yourself and go, wait a minute. What is most important? The laundry getting finished or me giving God about 5-10 minutes? Because I promise you, that laundry will still be there when you're done. Just go to God. Spend time alone with Him. It is essential. And none of us do it enough. So good. It says, as you grow in your desire to please me above all else, you gain strength to resist these opponents. The closer you get to God, the more He will help you to resist those thoughts and those things around you that are trying to distract you from Him. God will help you. Delight yourself in me, for I am the deepest desire of your heart. Precious. Okay, let's do the verses. Within your temple, O God, we meditate on your unfailing love. Psalms 48:9. About Benjamin, he said, let the beloved of the Lord rest secure in him, for he shields him all day long, and the one the Lord loves rests between his shoulders. Deuteronomy 33:12. This next one is a good verse. I actually wrote this verse on one of the headers in our new house. It's so strange, like ever so often throughout this devotional, one of these verses pops up that we actually wrote on the headers in the house. Anyways, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. So good. I am life and light in abundance. As you spend time soaking, it doesn't say spend time praying, spend time talking, it says soaking. Soaking in God's presence. Lingering in there, just spending time with God alone. Think about the things that He's done for you. Give thanks. If nothing else, give thanks. But slow your day down for just a minute and give it to God. And you just see if you are not enlightened. You feel lighter, more energized. So good. So good. And you know something else, do not get down on yourself when you don't do this. Because like I said, the devil is always trying to distract us. But the second that you realize that it's happening, stop yourself. A lot of your life with God is about discipline. It's disciplining yourself to know to stop those thoughts immediately and take them to God. So good, guys. So good. All right. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.